Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on a rag quilt. This was such a fun project to do, and you can quilt as you go, making it so easy to do. Come along and let me show you how I put this together. I start out by cutting 5-inch squares. If you're enjoying this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and subscribe. I love it when I can use up my scraps of my batting, and the batting I'm going to be cutting at 4¼ inch square. Once you get this part done, you're going to start putting it together. Before you do, you are going to need a template if you're going to do the heart. There are plenty of videos where people just do an X and they don't do the heart. But if you want to do the heart, I wanted to show you how I did it. I took this plastic, it's actually like a cutting board, and I will put a link to it in the description if you're interested in this. Amazon has it. And then I just made a heart and cut that out of the plastic and use that as my template. And then once I get that done, I take my waterproof marker and start cutting out hearts that I want to put onto my squares. The first thing I do is I lay down a background square, and then after that, I'll put the batting in, then the fabric of choice for the top, and then my heart on top, and then I will zigzag the heart into place. And that is it for the quilting part, because once you put the heart on, you have quilted that square. You could pin it down if you'd like to. I found that really awkward, and so I didn't do that. And once you get that part done, it is time to put them on the design wall to see if you like how it looks. And then once that is done, I sew them together. I really like how this turned out. This is just a baby quilt, but you can make it as big as you want. Just keep adding hearts. This part is so easy. All you want to do is sew in a 1/2 inch because you want to catch that batting. And that's it. Sew everything together. I'm loving the way this quilt is turning out, but be careful not to do what I just did. I sewed it wrong. I have to tear this out and do it the other way around. And then you want to sew around the entire quilt a 1/2 inch, catching that batting. And then once you're done, you want to go around each square, cutting little tiny cuts all the way around. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed so you don't miss any of my future videos. At the end of this video, I will put up a couple of my other videos you can watch if you'd like to.